Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Salesforce CRM email to lead step by step clearly. To activate Salesforce CRM email to lead, begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the setup menu by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the quick find box, type email to lead. Select the email to lead option from the results. Click on the edit button to modify the email to lead settings. Enable the email to lead feature by checking the appropriate box. You can customize the default lead assignment settings if needed. Next, under Email Services, click on New Email Service. Enter a name for your email service in the designated field. In the Email Service email address section, choose a unique email address. Select the lead option from the drop-down menu for the associated object. In the Apex class section, you will need to select or create a new Apex class. If creating a new class, write the necessary code to handle incoming emails. Make sure to test your Apex class in a sandbox environment first. Once confirmed, return to the email service settings. Check the option to active to enable the email service. Next, set the accepted email domains to include the domains you want to use for email leads. Save the settings after reviewing everything for accuracy. You can now create an email template to format the leads as they come in. Navigate to the Email Templates option in the Setup menu. Create a new email template, ensuring it matches your desired format for lead generation. Once your email template is set up, return to the main Salesforce setup page. Finally, test the email to lead feature by sending an email to your newly created address. Check the leads section in your Salesforce account to confirm that the lead was captured successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.